This video is an introduction to the MyCi portal for Central Innovation customers. If you're new to MyCi, the first thing you'll need to do is complete the setup of your account by heading to myci.centralinnovation.com, and on the initial screen where it says if you're new to the site, you can set a password for your account by clicking here. Click on the link there, enter your email address into the box provided there, and press the orange Help Me Create My Password button. When you do that, you'll receive an email from our system which will allow you to go through and set a password for your account. Once your password is set, you can then log into the website using the sign-in form over on the right here. If you ever have trouble signing into your account, you can use the Forgot Password link at the bottom here to help you reset your password to get back into the site. Once you get signed in, you'll be taken to the welcome page, which has a range of different pieces of information to get you to different places in the site. And you have a menu bar on the left, which will let you get to all of the content on the site. So I'm just going to go through and quickly show you what's available in each of these items. The Getting Started page is where you can go after a new version of Archicad has been released, or if you just are getting up and running with Archicad for the first time. This will allow you to download Archicad itself, including the installation guide for Archicad. It'll allow you to access the licensing guide so that you can get your Archicad license working, and it will also have links to the new features for that version of Archicad. Working remotely has some information about how to set up working remotely if you're not in your office or if you just need access while you are off-site. The CI Tools menu will allow you to download the CI Tools just by clicking on the Windows or Mac installer. Once you download the files for those, you can go through the process of installing the CI Tools. The CI Tools Manuals section heads off to the CI Tools online documentation, where you can find lots of information about the various things that the CI Tools can do. My Select Benefits is where most of the additional content for select customers can be found. Archicad Resources includes a selection of additional resources to help you extend Archicad in different ways. The Archicad Select library can be found here, as well as its user guide. Objects shows you a list of the objects. These are all included in the Archicad Select library, so there's no need to download them individually, but here you can see a sort of a preview of what sorts of things are available to you. The Tips section is a regularly updated collection of tips that our technical staff here have written up, and all of the tips are searchable using the search box up on the top here. So if you're looking for something in particular, you can enter a search term here and it will find the appropriate article. The Videos section is similar to the Tips section, except that it shows video tips rather than text tips. So you can search in the same way, and it contains all of our previous webinar recordings as well, so that you can see archived versions of webinars that maybe you didn't attend or that you wanted to view again. The Archicad Downloads section contains the downloads for Archicad itself, as well as the updates for Archicad. OpenBIM Tips contains a collection of tips similar to the Tips section, but these are all specifically to do with OpenBIM, IFC collaboration, and that sort of thing. The FAQs section is similar again to the Tips, except this section is to show solutions to frequently asked questions. The Manuals section is also a collection of tips about how to do various things in Archicad. These ones in particular are specific user guides for certain parts of Archicad. The Event Calendar contains a calendar with links to the various events that we run. You can see our regularly scheduled webinars, and to register for them, simply click on the event and then click the registration link included in it. The Training Calendar works similarly, except that it lists the upcoming training courses that are available either at our offices or online, and again you can click on the event and find out further information about those. Next, the My Account section will let you see details about your account. You can see and change your name and email address as well as your password here. You can also use the People setting to see who in your company also has a MyCi account, and the orders section will show if you are a CI Tools customer, and that's where you can download invoices for your tools purchases. Manage My Tools will be here if you're a CI Tools customer, and this will allow you to manage your older CI Tools purchases as well as your tools subscriptions. Installation Guides is a collection of guides to help you install Archicad and various other things such as Twinmotion. And finally, My Support will allow you to access the support tickets that have been logged by you or other people in your company, and you can also log new support tickets using the form on the right here. If you have any questions about MyCi, or you are having any trouble getting logged in or using the site, just go to the main login page and click the Email Us link here to send an email with details of what you need help with, and we can help you get sorted.